Hello guys, we got some packages. This is for me. These packages should be including this Bionce and vitamin B complex. Let's check out this packages. It's still on seal, everything. Let's really unboxing this. It's no problem about the packaging. I like the packaging simple like this. Okay, we got here Bionce and vitamin B complex. Oh, sorry. And this is the bonus pregnancy strip test. Oh my god, it's crazy. Who's pregnant? Okay, this Bionce has expired at November 23. Let's check 10 strip, 10 capsule. Let's check it inside. 10 strip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 strip. Each is 10 capsule. Okay, November 23. Oh my god, so close. This is it, Bionce, and this is the vitamin B complex B12. It's complete vitamin B. Okay. Like this. Packaging is like this. Expired at 3 years again. Just like that. Oh, has a seal in here. Okay, the seal is open. Seal again. Good. Safety enough. So this is it. What we got. Nice. Thank you for watching.